Hi, we're going to be writing a sketch for the Arduino that when we send an integer from the Raspberry Pi over to the Arduino over the USB cable, it's going to blink a flashing light. It's going to be the LED that's internal on the Arduino. We're going to make that blink. So let's get writing the code here. Now we're going to make a couple integers here. So we're going to go const for constant int LED, and that's going to be equal to 13. We're going to be using pin 13 to blink this light. And we're going to do another integer. We're going to do USB read, and that's going to be equal to 0. Now we're going to go to our void setup. And we're going to want to open the communication port. So we're going to serial.begin, and we're going to go 9600 here, and there we go. Then we're going to set the pin mode LED to be an output. And we're going to digital write. We want that turned off when the program starts. So digital write LED, and that's going to be low. That will turn it off for us. Now, I think that's all done. We're going to go down and we're going to do our void loop. And we're going to, where am I here? We're going to go if serial available oops, I need to close the other one. If serial available, then we're going to do what did I call it? USB read equals serial read, and then we're going to do a -0. What this is going to do, when you send an integer over to the Arduino from the Raspberry Pi, it's going to be an ASCII form, and we're just going to convert it back to an integer by subtracting 0 from it. Alright, now put that USB. Now we're gonna print this out to the serial monitor so we can see that something actually went over there. So we're going to go serial print ln, and we're going to print out USB read. Okay, and let me see, now down here, if we're going to have another if statement, if USB read is equal to 1, then we're going to flash the light. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a method to flash the light. So we're just going to call that blink, and we'll call the method here, and there we go. And after that's after we blink the light, we want to set the USB read to 0 again, so it don't run over and over. So we're going to go USB read equals 0. Okay, and I think that will do it. This is the end of our loop. So we'll just comment that. End of loop. Okay, now we're going to write our blink method. So we're going to go void, because it returns nothing, blink, void blink, and I want this to repeat a few times, so we're going to do a for loop in here. And we're going to go for int x equals 0, and we're going to do x has to be less than 3. We're going to make it blink 3 times, and we'll do our increment by x plus plus, and there's our 4 right there. And now we just make it blink. So what we're going to do is we're going to, let me see, digital write. We're going to turn this on, LED, we're going to go high, and then we're going to delay for 1 second, and then we're going to digital write it low, which is off, LED low, and then we're going to delay another second. Alright, and I believe that is all that we're going to need there, and this should do our whole sketch. So now we're going to upload this to the Arduino, and then we will work on the Python code to send the integer over to the Arduino. Alright, I will be back in just a few minutes.